Welcome back to Auto Rush Pro, where we bring you the latest reviews on wheels that redefine adventure and comfort. Today, we're diving into a full detailed review of the all-new Miclrean Motorhome 2026, a serious contender for the most versatile and tech-packed RV of the year. From the outside, the Miclrean Motorhome 2026 immediately makes a bold statement. Its aerodynamic body design reduces drag and boosts fuel efficiency, something that's rare in the motorhome world. The body is sculpted with sleek composite panels, durable yet lightweight, and comes with a scratch-resistant finish available in 5 modern color schemes. The front fascia features a bold chrome-accented grille flanked by LED matrix headlights that automatically adjust based on the environment. There's also a full wraparound panoramic windshield offering expansive road visibility. The motorhome sits on 20-inch all-terrain wheels and includes a smart leveling system, making it easy to park and stabilize anywhere from RV parks to off-road campsites. Moving around back, there's a built-in bike rack, rooftop solar panels, and a power retractable awning with integrated lighting. Storage compartments are thoughtfully designed with gas lift doors and weather-sealed locks. You also get an outdoor shower, power hookups, and even a mini slide-out kitchen, ideal for those impromptu barbecue sessions under the stars. Stepping inside, the Miclrean Motorhome 2026 is all about luxury blended with functionality. As you enter, you're greeted by soft ambient lighting, plush eco-leather upholstery, and walnut wood accents that give a warm, residential feel. The main lounge area features a convertible sofa, a dinette that turns into a bed, and large dual-pane windows with automatic shades. The insulation is top tier, so whether you're parked in the desert or the mountains, comfort is constant. The kitchen is compact but efficient, equipped with an induction cooktop, convection microwave, smart fridge with a touchscreen interface, and solid surface countertops. You also get plenty of drawer space and a hidden pantry system. Across the hall is the bathroom with a full stand-up shower, a porcelain toilet, and a backlit mirror with defogger. The bedroom at the rear has a queen-size memory foam bed, overhead storage, USB charging ports, and even a retractable 32-inch smart TV. Every inch is designed to feel like a small apartment on wheels. Performance-wise, the Miclrean 2026 is built on a new hybrid diesel-electric chassis. The powertrain delivers around 310 horsepower, and thanks to regenerative braking and the solar panel integration, you can extend off-grid time significantly. The hybrid setup gives it a smooth and surprisingly quiet ride with excellent torque for climbing hills or towing. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system come standard, making this one of the safest motorhomes to drive in its class. It's not a speed demon, but it does 0 to 60 in under 11 seconds. Not bad for something this size. Towing capacity is rated at 6,500 pounds, so you can easily bring along a trailer or a boat. The onboard battery system supports up to 48 hours of full off-grid living, and there's a companion app that lets you monitor all systems, power, water, HVAC right from your phone. Speaking of water, the 2026 model includes a smart filtration system that makes any source drinkable, which is a game changer for long trips. Now let's talk about pricing. The base model of the Miclrean Motorhome 2026 starts at $129,900, which is competitive considering what you're getting. Add-ons like the off-road package, solar expansion kit, and luxury interior upgrade can push it closer to $160,000. But for the tech, comfort, and performance packed in, it's excellent value. Financing options are also available directly through Miclrean dealerships. And there's a 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty included. So that's our in-depth look at the Miclrean Motorhome 2026. It's smart, stylish, and ready for the road, perfect for anyone serious about traveling in comfort without sacrificing performance. If you're planning to make the leap into the RV lifestyle, this should definitely be on your short list. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next big review, only here on Auto Rush Pro.